Wow, the weather is very good today. You did not get weather like this back in Chicago. Very good. Oh shit, damn! I'm going to be late for work. Bueno, you need to ride the Reno. Oh, water Reno, aqua. What the fuck is that you doing? Taco. Burrito. Hey man, I give you a ride the Reno. No copy paste the Reno, no peso. 1 peso, I give you a ride. Very good, ride the Reno. El Aqua Mexicano. A burrito. Okay, I'm coming into the back. Do you have curry? I want to eat curry. I did not eat breakfast today. I do not have curry. I'm not Indian. I'm Mexican. Eat my taco. It smells like shit back here. It does not even smell good. It smells like your goddamn shit. My wife. Your taco does not smell very good. My wife do not clean. Listen to me. I am very Mexican. I am clean, man. I come to America to be clean. But you are still shit. Go back to McDonald's. Wait in the car, okay? I just goes to 7-Eleven and buy something.
Coming to you live from effin' 7-Eleven, we have the greatest rapper, Abdu Aladdin.
Who the fuck is this Abdu Aladdin shit? This is not even good. I should be on there.
My name is Rajdu. How about you? Welcome to the neighborhood where it's good. Come and get some curry and a side of recipe.
You think he's so good? He's not even from India like me.
That was the newest, freshest hit on the FN 7-Eleven radio.
That is right, you
Come
shut
back
up, Indian
and stay
bitches,
tuned for
motherfucker!
more Abdu Aladdin.
You suck shit. Oh. Welcome to 7-Eleven. How may I help you today?
I am looking for a rope. You know, I tie something.
Okay, I will get you a rope. I will
Good
be right back.
tie.
Thank you very much. Okay, I got the best rope in the store. It is very tight. It ties very good.
Bueno, I would tie very tight, you know. I will not let you down. Oh, El Burrito, I got the rope. What are you doing with that rope? I thought you were sending me to 7-Eleven. What are you doing? Drive it away. It is back there. Hey, man. Abdul, we are here in my underground tunnel. What are we even doing here? What are you doing to me? Untie me right now. Eh, that is no can do. I must touch you now. I will give you my El Burrito. Very big, 12 inches. No, do not touch me. I'm not ready for that. I am not gay. Ah! Burrito, no, taco. Oh, oh, oh.